Hey fam, and welcome to WH Life by Design, where we're doing a how-to today. How-to what? We're doing the flocking of our Christmas tree. This is just one of them, and we turned our little Charlie Brown tree into a little beauty, as you can see. And I wanted to take you along with the process. It's going to be a short video, but we're coming to you so that if you don't know how to flock it and what you need to do and how to do it, we're going to show you today. So, just a quick, this is a hard time for everyone, and we know for families it's definitely, there are a lot of them that are struggling, but you know what, like I say, creation over crisis, and that's what it would be, creation over crisis. So we wanted to take and share with you and give you an opportunity to share with us. Send some videos, tell us how you decorated your mantle or your trees. All right now, here we go. There's a new day arising, and the sun is shining on me. A lovely taste of heaven as the favor falls on me. Come join this journey, free to be you, free to be me. I am living life on purpose, and I'm living legacies. It's life by design. Yeah, it's life by design. It's life by design. All right, what we're doing right now is we are straightening out the branches of the tree. Yes, I forgot, I had a little brain fart there for a minute, y'all. You know, and straighten them out. It's part of the decorating. This is our smaller tree. And make sure you have all your branches out. Make sure your tree looks real full. I know you have one of these Charlie Brown trees. What to do with it? Well, we're going to show you. This is just the beginning. And then we're going to flog the tree. And if you don't know what flogging is we're going to take a can of snow and we're going to cover the whole entire tree to go with the theme here. We're going to decorate it, and of course that's the space for the tree. So, we'll be back. So what we did is we went out and got a can of snow, and we're going to frolic. Flogging. Uh-oh. Shake the can real good. Shake it. Shake it, baby. Shake it, baby. That's my version. And I'm sticking to it. Make sure you get all your branches. Want a white tree? This is how you do it. Soup up that Charlie Brown tree. You get every branch. We're gonna finish this and we'll be right back. Alright everybody, we're back, and we are strategically putting our Christmas balls onto the tree to decorate. Let me tell you a short story. We went out looking for the blue, thinking that we were special. Our family was special because we were going to do blue this year. Nobody was doing it. We saw mostly red when we started. However, we got to the store. We only found small amounts of blue. everybody had attacked the blue. I was looking at the carts and everybody had blue. And I was like, oh. But you know what? We have been planning the blue for the last couple of years. This is in tribute to my husband. His favorite color is cobalt blue. So this is what we're doing. We're decorating in the blue, the silver, and the whites. And yeah. So we started putting the balls again onto the smaller tree. And when we're done, we'll come back. See you soon. Okay guys, we just strung the lights on the tree. One word of advice, whatever you do not put the bulbs on before you put the lights on, because you'll knock all the bulbs onto the floor. But we did it. We did it. We're almost there. Almost there, almost there, almost there. And we did it. Look at that. Not finished yet. Almost there. See you soon. I so hope you enjoyed this video. This is just one of many that we have for decorating during this time. They'll be uploaded, so make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring that notification bell so when those videos are uploaded, you'll be the first one to be notified. Thanks again, and keep it so simple. That is my kiss from you to me. Happy holidays. Love you, fam. There's a new